Hello everyone. Today we will be taking a look at the new East Pakenham Station. So let's get straight into it. East Pakenham Station opened on the 3rd of June 2024. Before East Pakenham was built, the Pakenham Line was already the longest line in the Melbourne suburban rail network. East Pakenham Station is located roughly 1,800 metres to the east of Pakenham Station. With the addition of East Pakenham, the Pakenham Line now stretches out roughly 60 kilometres from the city. East Pakenham replaces Pakenham as the terminating station on the line. With the track layout at East Pakenham, it makes terminating trains a lot easier. This here is a HCMT undergoing testing before taking passengers. This HCMT is Set 70, the last of the kind built. The first two clips you saw there were from the 3rd of June 2024 when the station opened. Now we jump to July 10 to see a couple more trains. Now we will have a look at the station itself. The style of platform is an island platform, and the colour of the station is very grey. There's not much colour apart from in the underpass. As you can tell from this building, the actual station is on a hill. On the left of the building you can see it's on platform level, but right down the far right you can see it's raised up a bit so it's not also on a hill. The colour of the underpass is gold, which matches with Pakenham Station. In terms of the station's looks, the entrance is my favourite part. As you can see, there's not much around apart from some factories, and on the other side of the station there's a fair few houses. As you may have noticed by now, there is 4 tracks but only 2 platforms. This is because the platforms are for terminating East Pakenham Line suburban trains.
The next station is Pakenham.
While the outer tracks that don't have a platform are for V-Line country trains which stop at Pakenham and then can just go straight past the terminating East Pakenham station. Empty trains going to the nearby East Pakenham depot would also run on the outside tracks. There are also these very short sidings at the Melbourne end of East Pakenham Station. Since the station's on a hill, these are basically to stop a train from rolling away, and if it did happen, it would just go into that siding and hit the buffer. I'm not going to go into any more detail about the track layout, because Tateset has already made a very good video with a great explanation about it. I will link that video in the description. Here is a V-Line Velocity train using the outer express tracks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a like and subscribing if you haven't already. And bye for now.